never leave you nor forsake you. When the rain falls heavy on my window and the winds come howling through the night, I will lift my eyes above the shadow, 'cause you're my refuge and my light. Every wave that tries to drown me, every mountain in my way, I will stand upon your promise. I know you'll never walk away. I'm never alone. Through the fire and the storm, you'll carry me on. When my strength is gone, no fear can hold. No dark unknown, no dark unknown, no, no. I'm never alone. I'm never alone.
In the silence when I can't feel nothing, when the voices of doubt surround, I will sing a song of your great faithfulness. Your mercy is my solid ground.
Every tear you see it falling, every prayer you hear me say,
you are closer than my heartbeat. You're my hope, my guide, my way.
I'm never alone. Through the fire and the storm,
Won't carry me on.
when my strength is gone,
No fear can hold.
no dark unknown, no dark unknown.
No, no.
I'm never alone. I'm never alone. You walk beside me through the valley. You dance with me upon the sea. No height, no depth, no power can sever. Your love is forever.